This video demonstrates how to set up a new Google account in the new version of Google Analytics. Recently a client asked how to do this and it wasn't very obvious from the homepage, but as is the case in most of the new Google properties, you use the cog over here on the right hand side. So if you click on here, you get a list of accounts, and then there's the new account button, which you just click here at the top of the list. This then asks you to fill in the account name, the website's URL, set the time zone correctly, which will set to Australia, which is where I am. And then the next section asks you about sharing your Google Analytics data once it starts collecting. This is entirely up to you, but it certainly helps with AdWords and the website conversion optimizer tool. As here it says Google Conversion Optimizer. And then the second one is to share it anonymously with Google and others for benchmarking. What happens there is they have an industry list, but it's not actually in this new version at the moment. Presumably will be coming back in once this new one is the default. You can set your user agreement again up here. So I'll just put in an account name and call it test account and use it on my test site. That is go down, leave these settings all on, agree to the terms and conditions and create the account. This then takes you to the page where you can grab your code. You have various options up here for the single domain or one domain with multiple subdomains, where you might have an online store that sits on a subdomain, or multiple top-level domains where you have several sites that you'd like to track together. If you have AdWords campaigns, it's also good to tick here, and you can link to that adds in another step down here to link your Google Analytics accounts and AdWords account together. You can also email these instructions to a developer if you're not able to access the website yourself. And what you do with the code is copy it, put it in just before the closing head tag on your web page, or you'll put it into an include. They'll be available to every page on the website. Talk to your developer about that if you're not quite sure what to do. And then scroll down and save this. Success. Once you're here, you can see it says tracking not installed, because obviously I haven't put this code anywhere yet. Once you have the code put on the website, this will actually let you know whether it's tracking it properly or not. You just go back to this page in tracking code, and that's where it'll be. So that's how you create a new account. Our next video will show you how to set up profiles, delete accounts, and how to set up goals, filters, and all the other settings in this section. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.